Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, we need to right click on these Windows icon, then go to the settings. Once we're here, we need to click on these three lines and select system. Now click on display, and as you can see in this scale you'll get the 100 to 500, so we need to set it up to the 100 only. That is recommended. And this resolution is best one, 1280 into 720. You can select another one also, but this one is the best one. Select this one and your problem will be solved. You can also simply restart your system to fix this problem. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. But as you can see, these settings are the best settings for the this problem. So set this and the problem will be solved. That's it guys, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.